My name's David Davies and I'm an organic farmer from Pencoed Each Farm in Blackwood, Gyda. My family have been farming here for just over 100 years, doing a variety of different farming enterprises. We had quite a small farm here, so it's been difficult to make a living from the farm. So we've had to diversify, which started off as renting out storage units. We rent out a small unit to a local florist called Buttercup Flowers. They do a great job in doing flowers for weddings and events. We've currently on the farm got cattle, sheep, chickens, and we have a pick your own pumpkin patch which opens in October. Last year we estimate that we had around 30,000 people visit us, and we're hoping for a similar number this year. We sell all the eggs directly from the farm in our small farm shop, but we also sell some vegetables. We're now fully organic, Soil Association certified, and in the future we're looking to have a micro dairy on the farm, bottling and selling the milk direct to the customer. Mynydd gave us the chance to have a stall selling our eggs at 2 local shows in the summer, which allowed us to network with a variety of other local producers, which has got our name out there to potential customers, which was really beneficial and allowed us to network and to meet up with other people who've been helped by Mynydd.